Alright, what is up guys? Today we got a new disc brake conversion kit for the rear of my Bronco because right now it is a drum. It's a drum brake setup from factory obviously. And if you guys follow my Instagram, you would have seen that my wheel actually fell off and destroyed the drum system. So I needed some new brakes anyway, so I decided to go ahead and convert to disc because they're better and more efficient and way easier to work on. So this is what we ended up getting. It's a kit from a company called Little Shop MFG. Pretty cool. This kit costed me about 450 bucks, but it comes with everything. So we got our rotors, and then in this box we got all our mounting stuff and hardware, which is really cool that they provided hardware. And then in this box we have these calipers, which is really cool. I'm really excited for that. In the future, I'm also thinking about doing a dual caliper setup so I can have a handbrake, which I think would be freaking sick. It would be super cool. But let's see what the Bronco looks like right now. So this is the side that the wheel fell off. You can see it snapped a couple of studs. Some of the studs are fine. I already beat this one out so I could take it out. Some of the studs are fine, like I said, but I think what happened was they were loose because this thing sat for, oh yeah, look how dirty it is. This thing sat for close to 2 months, and so I finally took it out because I finally fixed it and didn't check any of that, so it's my own fault. And then the wheel fell off and all this crap happened, so back to just sitting in my driveway. But we're about to get it fixed. So first things first is we got to pull out these axles so we can actually take the backing plates off and all that fun stuff. So probably gonna get to that pretty soon. Alright, so I got most of everything off, pretty much just all the dirty work that I couldn't really film because my hands were super dirty, but knocked out all the broken studs. Some of them are fine. I think 2 of them are like fine, but I just knocked them all out because I'm gonna get all new ones anyways, just in case. And then I don't know if you can really see, but I got the axles almost out. I just gotta take the little C-clips out. This is a Detroit locker, so it's a little different than your normal rear end. But yeah, other than that, I'm gonna just disconnect the e-brake thing so I can pull the drums completely off because I didn't get e-brakes with the new calipers because I don't want them. I don't want to deal with them. Just one more thing to deal with. And yeah, that's what's going on. Probably get back to this tonight because I'm gonna go pick up my boat. Alright, so it's the next day. I got some stuff done on the Bronco and now I'm taking a break to go pick up my boat. So I guess I'll take you guys with me to pick it up because I'm super hyped on it. It's pretty sweet. So we're gonna go ahead and hop in the tow rig. Alright, so finally picked this thing up. Got it back after its 20-hour service. And we needed some stuff changed, like the prop and steering wheel and stuff like that. But here she is. It's the 2021 Supra SA 450. It has the Ford Raptor 6.2 motor in it. It's pretty sweet. It's a dope wake boat. So it has like 3,500 pounds of ballast and it throws pretty mean wake for surfing and wakeboarding. But it's a ton of fun. So we're just here at the gas station filling it up before we put it back in the I feel like it's more convenient that way than having to drive from the slip all the way to the wherever you fill it up on the water. There's like a little space, so just doing that right now. Let me know if you guys want me to make content with the boat. I think that'd be kind of sick. So if that's something you guys want to see, because it's a big part of where I live in Texas, like the boat and the lake life, and we do it a lot. So alright, so because I am such an idiot, I went to the gas station in that last clip, and if you look closely, you probably could have seen what went wrong. But I'm in a diesel truck, and so in my head I was thinking, get the diesel pump. and I put $80 worth of diesel fuel in the freaking boat, which is gas. Obviously the boat is gas. I can't even believe it. I just feel like a freaking idiot, dude. So stupid. So now I brought the boat all the way back to South Austin Marine, where they're gonna freaking drain the tank and clear it all out. Luckily we didn't run it, so there's no diesel in the lines, or none of it got to the motor or anything like that. And they have to drain it and clean it out, because I guess the diesel has some like residue in it that'll sink to the bottom and just kind of stick in the tank. But it's just so stupid. I'm so pissed off. Like, we were gonna take it out and have fun and stuff this weekend, and everyone was counting on it. And now it's not gonna be ready till like Tuesday. So, which isn't a big deal. Today's Monday, or today's not Monday, today's Friday. But it's just stupid. It's just a pain in the butt, and I feel like an idiot. So, yeah, that's what's going on. I'm gonna drive home, finish my stupid Broncos, so maybe I can drive something this weekend. But again, such an idiot, dude. So dumb. Oh, yeah. Alright, so I guess I'll finish the disc brake install, even though it's pretty much freaking, I don't know, it's not even part of the video anymore after I put all the diesel in the boat. So I got this side done. This side is ready to go. It was super easy. You can see that, if it'll focus, you can see that there's just all these brackets, and the brake line, you have to bend it to go in, and then it actually runs underneath there. And I'll explain all that because I didn't do the other side, so I can show you guys. So you got these three. You got a spacer, you got your main bracket, and you have a brake line bracket. It holds your brake line. So I'm going to show you how they go on, and then I'll probably just time lapse me tightening down all the bolts. So this one just slides right on. First one, super easy. Then this one goes on to where this little notch is facing the front of the Bronco, like that. This one goes on just like this, and faces up, because it'll come down from around there and up into here, and then you bend the brake line down to go on the top of there. This is basically what I got. The brackets are on there, as you can see. Got the brake line bracket on there. It's super simple. They have instructions online, but you don't even need them. I haven't even looked at them. It's just been really straightforward. Alright, so it's like the next day. I fixed the Bronco last night, got the whole disc kit on, bled the brakes, took it for a test drive, get it back, and I'll put the clip up on the screen, but the wheel bearing's just toast now on the driver's side, the outer wheel bearing. So there's just so much play in the axle now. And if you didn't know, if you don't follow me on Instagram, this thing sat for like 2.5 months because it was broken. And I finally fixed it. First drive out after fixing it, the wheel falls off. So then I bought the disc brake kit to fix it, so I didn't have to replace all the drum stuff. Fixed it, drove it for the first time last night, and now the wheel bearing's shot. So this thing's just been problem after problem after problem. So now I just gotta fix the wheel bearing, I guess. I'll get to that eventually, but I'm tired of working on it, so I'm going to take a break for a day or two. But that's pretty much it for this video. Kind of been all over the place, but thanks for watching. Subscribe, I guess, if you want to see more clown content, because this was just a complete clown show, this whole video. It's like the circus.